It's currently 2:53 p.m. Today is my birthday. I'm 25. As you can see, I still look dumb as hell. I wasn't finna be mad. I was gonna do the other side. And then show them one side and then do the other side. I do the same shit every video. They should get it by now. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my little birthday previews in the beginning of this video. I just wanted to show you guys my little bit of turn up. I didn't really do too much. But basically, I'm just going to show you guys how I created my birthday look. It was just real simple and really cute. The color that I used to make my wig was titanium for the roots. And then I'm using Limelight from Tintation to do the lime green color. If you guys want to see how I created that color, you can go ahead and watch the video on me water dyeing that hair. And I will leave that link down below. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that in this video, I will not be doing the ball cap method. I'm just going to basically just put the light brown cap on, because what I noticed when I apply my lace, I will not be able to see like the print of where the cap starts and stop. And I think that's mainly because the foundation that I'm using underneath my lace is very like dark and kind of like give it a really good full coverage, so I won't see it. But I am going to apply this wig section by section like I did in a previous YouTube video as well. And I'm going to use my fingers this time. I just wanted to get straight to the point. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. And if you guys do hear some noise in the background from a 2-year-old, please ignore it. That is just my terrible 2-year-old son. He doesn't know how to follow directions when I say be quiet. So once I am done gluing down this side, I'm just going to go ahead and take some elastic band and I'm going to tie down my lace so that it can dry in place. I know some people use the silk scarf and, you know, a regular head scarf, but for me, I honestly like the elastic band because it is very, very tight and it stretches really well. So for me, that works too, to get my lace like down intact. So about after like I say 10 to 15 minutes, because I did go ahead and hot comb my roots off camera as well. So I am going to remove this scarf, and for this look I did not want any baby hairs, guys. Like you should know by now, I'm not really like a baby hair fan. I prefer my hairlines to look as natural as possible. And as you can see, guys, this is looking very, very nice, and especially on my skin tone. This hair was 613 before, and usually with 613 hair, the lace is transparent, so it should make it easier to blend it with your skin tone, especially if you are using your foundation color underneath. So I did love how this install came out, and like I said, I do not want baby hairs. I just want it to look as soft and as natural as possible, like you see in these clips here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. And once again, I want to thank you for tuning into I Am Beautiful Hustler channel. Till next time.